Let's install Extreme Online Store's carbon lip.
Just received my first sponsored piece from Extreme Online Store. Let's see what they sent. Bro, all the carbon looks so sick. Nice, man. I'm really excited to put this on. It's gonna change the whole look of the car. So I'm gonna prep my corners with 3M tape just because I don't have an extra set of hands for the corners. I don't want to scratch anything up. First, you're gonna have to remove the old lips. So you're gonna get under the car and remove each clip from all the way around, and then you can pull them out. You'll see slots all the way around where the old lip was. The new lip will slide right into there. Then you'll use the screws provided to screw everything around and secure it.